What lesson can Christians learn about social justice from the story of Naboth? Christians should not use their position in leadership to acquire wealth illegally or possible. Christians should protect the poor against corruption leaders. Christians should safeguard property received through inheritance according to the law. Christians should not be misled by their friends, relatives to go against the law. Christians should exude justice or protect rights, freedom of citizens. They should condemn all forms of injustice in the society. Christians should campaign, fight for the rights of the weak in the society. There is punishment for those who exploit the poor. That Christians should be remorseful, repentant. Christians should report or execute corruption leaders.
Very good. We go to question 4A.
These 7 reasons why God called prophets in the Old Testament. God called to speak act for God, carry out special tasks, duties, to remind the Israelites about the covenant way of life, to reveal God's nature will to the people, to teach people the will of God, pronounce judgment and punishment for the Israelites and other nations, to fight against idolatry, condemn evil, call people to repentance and forgiveness, restore the true worship of Yahweh, monotheism, to warn the people of coming danger, prepare people for coming of the Messiah.
Thank you. Question 4B.
Applying 7 ways in which the rich oppressed the poor in Israel during the time of Prophet Amos. The poor were sold for a piece of silver or a pair of sandals. The rich grabbed land, grains, food belonging to the poor. The merchants used faulty weighing scale. The rich sold goods that were unfit for human consumption to the poor. Poor were paid unfair wage and paid for the labor provided to the rich. The poor were sold to the slavery for being unable to pay debts. They were changed high interest rates for the banked money. The poor were denied justice in law courts due to bribery of judges by the rich, or the cases for poor were thrown out of courts. They were prosecuted, oppressed when they challenged the injustices done. The rich failed to return garments taken as pledge. The garments as bedding in the temple. Wives of the rich pressured their husband to exploit the poor to meet their luxurious lifestyle.
Very good.